This is a quick and short video on how to onboard as a user or sign up as a user. So before you use the URL that leads you to the platform, you click on sign up. You're expected to enter basic details like your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your referral code if any, your password, and of course you're expected to confirm the password. And you can check out the terms and privacy policy. You scroll down to accept that, and then you create an account. Once account is created, an email is sent to the mail which the user imputed. Alright, a link has been sent to the email and user can simply check their email for the link. We proceed to confirm the email address. Yeah, so you can see the account has been successfully verified. Thank you.